Dear student, today we will study the types of matrices. First type is column matrix. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has one column and any number of rows. So see here 3 minus 5 6 2. So this matrix has 4 rows 1 2 3 4 and a column is 1. So the order is 4 by 1. In general, we can write this matrix as A is equal to A I J, where order is m by 1, where the number of column is 1 and the number of rows are n. Means any number of rows and column is only 1. Second, row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. See, A is a matrix which has only one row. Minus 5, 7, 8, 10. And the order is one row 1 by 4. In general, we can write A is equal to matrix A I J, where order is 1 by n. So a matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only one row. Now third type is square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix in which rows and columns are equal. The number of rows is equal to the number of columns. The matrix is said to be a square matrix. See, minus 3, 5, 4, 6, 8, 2, 11, minus 7, 3. See here, there are 3 rows 1, 2, 3 and columns 1, 2, 3. So the order is 3 by 3. In general, we can write the matrix like this: A I J m by m. See here, the number of rows is equal to the number of columns m. So the matrix is called this square matrix. Square matrix. Now the next is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix. See here, diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all the diagonal elements are non-zero. 5, minus 1.5 and 6. The non-diagonal elements are all zeros. And we write this matrix as, in general form, A is equal to Aij m by n, because number of rows is equal to number of column. Diagonal matrix is always a square matrix in which diagonal entries are non-zero and non-diagonal elements are 0. So Aij is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. Next matrix is a scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. A diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is called scalar matrix. If all the diagonal elements are equal, see here, root 2, root 2, root 2 on the diagonal, and all the non-diagonal elements are zeros. So we write like this: A is equal to Aij when Aij is equal to k some scalar when I is equal to j and is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. Ith row and jth column are equal, then it is some scalar k, and I is not equal to j equal to 0 in general. And from the example you can see all the diagonal elements are all equal and non-diagonal elements are all zeros. Therefore, diagonal matrix is called a scalar matrix if all the diagonal elements are equal. Now the sixth type is identity matrix. Identity matrix is represented by I. Now here the diagonal matrix is called identity if all the diagonal elements are unity. Very simple. All the diagonal elements are equal and equal to 1 and non-diagonal elements are zeros. The matrix is called identity matrix. The last is a zero matrix. It is denoted by O and it is also known as null matrix, in which all the elements of the square matrix are zeros. All the elements are zero, therefore the matrix is called a null matrix.